Put on pajamas, turn off the light. Say goodnight to the stars so bright. Brush your teeth and cuddle tight. It's time to rest and say goodnight. Snuggle with Teddy, soft and small. The moon is shining over all. Hug your blanket, close your eyes. Dream of castles in the skies. A bedtime book with tales so sweet. Lullabies and cozy sheets. Whispers low and kisses light. Mom and Dad say sleep well tonight. Hey! Lights go dim, the room feels still. The night will pass, it always will. Close your eyes, your mind will roam to clouds and stars and magic home. A rocket ride, a dragon's flight, or sailing ships in silver light. All begin when day is done, with sleepy hearts and nighttime fun. Routine helps your body rest. It tells your brain that sleep is best. Pajamas on, one last hug. Now drift away so warm and snug.